you sure is.
This right here? This right there though?
As soon as you cross this private property.
Okay. All right, well, I'm on the public easement right now.
Yeah, you are with the Weld County Sheriffs. I see your cop cam right there. Why you gotta lie?
Hey man, you need to step away from me. I'm a private citizen. I need a private citizen. Right now you're being live streamed to the internet. Right now you're being live streamed to the internet.
I don't care.
Well, you need to walk off and leave me alone.
Relax.
Right now.
Relax.
Right now I'm on a first protective. Right now I'm not with Weld County Sheriffs.
Go.
Yeah, no, I ain't going nowhere.
Go then.
I ain't going nowhere. You get your phone out. That's your First Amendment right. If this is private property, because if you are stopping me from going in there, and this is private property, you're in violation.
Of what?
Of the law. You're stopping me. Here's a Fourth Amendment right, brother.
This is our private property.
This street right here.
We own.
That's 25th Avenue over there.
We own this.
Well, all right. I know. I got you on camera.
Get away from that.
If you,
Get away from that.
if you're. I'm here on your behalf. I'm here to back you up. You're treating me like this. I'm here for you. I'm not there.
I hope you really are. Come this way.
All right, then that's all I needed. That's all I needed, brother.
What's that? What's that? You need a supervisor?
Yeah,
for what?
because like I need to know why you guys are even here in the car.
What's that?
Like you guys pull up and start bringing everybody to the license.
So let us figure it out. And then
go ahead.
as soon as, hold on one second. Can I talk to you? Okay, so as soon as we can figure out exactly what's going on.
Crazy.
So we need to make sure everybody's safe, and then we'll talk to you guys.
We're
Sound good?
Yep.
Okay.
Totally fantastic.
So give us a few minutes, and then I'll come over and talk to you.
All right, because I just want to know.
I know you're upset, brother.
Yeah, I know.
I'm not against you, man.
Thank you.
I'm on your side, brother. I'm just here to make sure that you're all right.
What the fuck? Like, out of nowhere, they just showed like nobody called them.
Right. No. Hey, dude. I got your back, man. I'm just here to make sure everybody's okay and you're not being violated. That's all I'm here for. And that's why I didn't want to come out to your property if it was your property.
No, well, it is. This is a gated community. You know what I mean?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't want to be.
There's a homeowners association.
I don't have any ill will or no ill intent. I'm just here to document and record what's going on.
I didn't know who you were.
That's all I'm doing. Yes, sir.
I can't see your face. That's,
Yes, sir. No, you're all right.
You know
That's
what I mean?
right. How you doing, sir? What's going on?
Just working on something? Who are you?
I'm sorry?
Who are you?
I am an independent journalist.
Okay, for?
I can't disclose that. It'll compromise my story.
Okay, what story?
I just said I don't want to talk. I don't want to answer any questions. How about that?
Okay. Well, do me a favor, stay back here.
I am well with. I know the law. I am well within my rights. Like I said,
okay.
I am not here for any ill will, no ill intent, just to document what you guys are doing.
Okay.
So I was running call, and I got a call out here about a stolen vehicle, and they got 2 Weld County Sheriffs, and I don't know who this guy is. I don't know who that guy is. It is an unmarked unit. It's a Jeep, unmarked Jeep. So they got a perimeter set. They're getting out of the way.
Don't stick that camera inside my vehicle.
I did not stick a camera inside my vehicle, sir. Do not change words. Do not say I'm doing something I'm not. You're being recorded and live streamed to the internet right now.
Okay.
Okay? I suggest to be cordial with me.
I am.
You're inventing reasons to approach me. That is, I did not stick my camera in your vehicle. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Break contact with me, please. So we got an officer that's upset. I'm gonna go around this way. I don't know if there's a perimeter set, but oh. We got a possible stolen vehicle. This call came out about 15 minutes ago. This is Weld County Sheriffs. I'm using Al Greeley. How you doing?
Good,
I'm good. I hope your day's going good. Good.
Oh, yeah, this is a lovely day. This is
Uh,
what I woke up to.
all right. Is this your vehicle?
No, this is my house.
Oh, this is your house. Okay.
They said they didn't have they don't have to have a reason. They said they just drove by and started running the plates here. And the plate ran back. I said, you didn't have any problems. You run the plate, anything. They said, nope. I just ran them because I wanted to.
Yeah, they can do that. It's public record.
So,
They can run your license plate. I mean,
I don't know. The kid just barely bought this car from some guy like the day before yesterday.
yeah. As
So,
long as you guys are cordial and cooperate, you know, it'll be done.
yeah,
Well,
I mean, I don't have a problem. I was, like I said, I was sleeping. I woke up to this, so.
Right. I can understand, but they got to do their job too. You know,
Yeah.
if it's stolen, they gotta go through their motion till it resolves.
Yeah, I don't know if the car is actually stolen or just the plates are stolen. That's what I'm wondering, because he just bought the car.
How old is Jackson? A year old? First German Shepherd.
So, is the car actually stolen or was just the plate stolen?
So I'm backing up my deputy right now, and until I figure out exactly like what's going on,
Glaring at me over there.
after everything happened here,
I don't think he liked
find
it.
out some information.
Like that I was getting my rights.
Right.
He was over there telling me that I was sticking my camera in his
No, and I get that.
cruiser. The windows are rolled up.
We can get the information that's accurate, then I'll give it to you. I don't want to piece of information that's not.
Let me know before you take Dominic. Is there any way that I can talk to him before you take him?
What's that?
But I'm gonna go check on the baby.
Okay.
Is there any way that you can let me know before you take him?
Sure.
And I can talk to him possibly for 15 seconds?
Yes, that'll be up to that deputy.
Okay.
But do your thing, and then when you come out, we'll have you.
So they're changing out the license plate. Changing like the license plate, which is awesome. I'm gonna approach you, deputy. I'm not gonna need your information or anything. I want to know.
I gotta give it to you anyways when I'm talking to you.
Oh, perfect. I appreciate that.
yeah,
All right, awesome.
absolutely.
So, what I'm asking is, do all your units mark like this unit here? Is it just as K9?
Just like every law enforcement agency, we have marks, unmarked K9 units.
Unmarked, right?
Yep.
Awesome. Okay, I just wanted to know. Just
It's kind of
for
a
my
common
story.
practice.
Right.
Yep.
Sure, sure. Well, I'll let you guys get you do your thing there.
Here's my information.
All right, I appreciate it, sir. Thank you so much
Yep.
for being so cordial.
Yep.
It's a rarity. Thank you so much.
It's not a rarity.
It's a rarity what I do.
We all
Thank you,
we're all
officer. I
trying to do
appreciate
our
it.
job.
Thank you. I'm looking for the guys that are bad, and I'll expose them every time. You know, and I'm unforgiving with that because I feel that there's a cordial. We should be cordial with each other because if I would see you guys getting attacked down the street, I would jump in, definitely, hands down.
Well, I appreciate that.
You know, and I understand you guys your stance on hey, you know, there's some of us that have cameras are bad. You know,
No, it's your right to have cameras.
well, of course, but in the way that some manipulate it, and I'm very familiar with that, and I'm not about that. I'm about helping the community. I live in Evans.
Mm-hmm.
I know a few officers over there,
Sure.
you know, that are good guys, and so I'm not here in anybody's way. I'm just trying to do my thing. I am very versed with the law. So don't mind me if I ever show up, man. Just leave me alone. That's all I ask. I don't mean to know, you know. And you guys will see that you guys, some of what you said earlier when you said, "Hey, get away from you sticking in," that could activate an officer. Those words, I don't know if you know that those words, because they back you up. Those words will activate an officer to come.
But they know me. It's just there's stuff in their paperwork with personal information on there that can't be out to the public.
Totally understand. I would hate to see someone in their right mind to do that. I don't see that. What I see is somebody like a homeless person, somebody hungry, getting in there. I mean, and the reason I was looking is because it's unmarked. You don't have your lights on. You don't have your emergency lights on. So I was wondering, is this your home car?
Nope.
That's what I was thinking. Is this guy bringing his car from home to do this? So, and you see, you got to see from my perspective too. Well, I'm looking out for resources. I'm looking out for over-resourced. I'm looking out for all those things too. And I keep my mouth shut until I meet you guys. And you guys know. You guys talk to everybody else about it. That's what I'm doing. I'm totally on your side. Well, I'm not against you. Let me put it that way. I'm not against you. Excuse me. So, they let this guy go over here. He's already over there playing around, getting his clothes on. All right, all good. He's not greedy. You guys have a good one. Be safe. Be safe.